if it links circuit boards or continents, electronics or electricity, we help build it. If it's under the hood, in the air, or beneath the sea, we protect it. If it needs to be smarter, faster, better, and more powerful, we enable it. If it has to do more and use less, we're on it. If it drives, if it flies, if it runs, if it shines, if it survives in extremes, if it defies the imagination, we're in it. Connecting and protecting the flow of power and data inside millions of products that consumers and industries use every day, all around the globe. Because we know that every connection, no matter how small, can lead to more significant technological advances and greater human benefits.
We are TE Connectivity.
We are in TE Connectivity.
We are TE Connectivity.
We are TE Connectivity.
हम हैं T Connectivity.
Somos TE Connectivity.
我们是 TE Connectivity.
We are TE Connectivity.
हम हैं TE Connectivity.
Somos T Connectivity.
私たちは TE Connectivity です。
We are TE Connectivity.